Hey guys, today I will show you how to overwinter these pepper plants. Well, in my climate, these pepper plants will not survive the winter. After spending all that time growing them up from seedling, especially in this climate when your summers are not that long, you want to give your plants a head start for the next year. By overwintering them, they will be stronger and give more fruit. So for this project we need a couple of things. Clean snippers, some neem oil, shovel, of course your pepper plants, a couple of buckets and some clean ground. Some clean water. So start by removing all the remaining peppers from your plant. The green ones you can just store in a dark place and they will ripen over time. You can also remove all the leaves, we don't need them anymore. So after doing this, your pepper plants will look quite sad. And now we're gonna cut them. Here's your stem, here's your first Y, and we will cut them above the first note. So this is what you are left with, and now it's time to get them out of the pots. Be careful with this not to damage the root system. Take your pepper plant and gently pull it out of the pot without damaging the roots. As you can see, this pepper plant was quite root bound, the pot was not big enough. Next year we can transplant them into a bigger container. Now we need to remove all the earth from the root ball. I know it looks like a buffalo's ass right now. If you have these long roots, just cut them and they will be easier to place in your next container. It's all clean, ready for its neem oil bath. As you can see, your root ball is quite clean now. You will not be able to get all the dirt out, but this is fine. Now we're gonna make a clean water bath with neem oil in it. Use about 1 spoon for that. Neem oil will kill all the insects and bugs that are still in your root ball. Also use it on your plant. Let your roots soak in here for about 15 minutes. So now that your plants are nice and clean, you want to make sure you don't get any bacteria from the... Take some boiling water and just mix it through your potting ground. It will kill most of the things you don't want in there. So now that your potting mix is clean, we're gonna add some bone meal. This will stimulate root growth and it will help your pepper plants recover from the transplant. Mix it in good. These will also be nutrients for next season. So the pepper plants are potted. After potting, just give them a good splash of water so all the gaps between the roots are filled. Now they are ready to go inside till next season. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.